Technocast Foundry is an ISO certified company specializing in manufacturing gray and ductile iron castings. Astonishing 12,000 tons capacity foundry and a spare capacity of 4,000 tons per annum. Situated in Coimbatore, considered to be the Manchester of South India for its robust industrial enterprises, Technocast Foundry stands tall among metallic manufacturers. Pattern Shop. The Pattern Shop is fitted with tool development supported with CAD/CAM and AutoCast. Simulation software facilities that minimize the development time and improve efficiency. CMM that inspects the first sample dimensions. To keep track of the patterns, we maintain an efficient pattern storage area. We are capable of submitting all the parts with APQP, FMEA, Control Plan, SPC, MSA, PSW and PPA. Core Shop. The Core Shop contains a shell core shooter with a capacity of 5 kilograms, cold box core shooter of 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms and 15 kilograms capacity, and a core sand dryer with a capacity of 2 tons per hour, heating oven for baking the cores, proper storage provisions of the cores. Melting Shop. The melting shop comprises of 2 medium frequency induction furnaces of Inductotherm make, 3-ton EOT cranes with 1-ton treatment ladles, automatic timer that monitors the pouring time for SG iron castings, digital display of spectral results in the melting platform, and grade-wise storage of inoculants. Fettling Shop. A high-end fettling shop with a work area of 2,400 square meters, making sure the post-production processes take place effectively. The fettling shop is incorporated with 2 numbers of 500 kilogram capacity short blasting machines, 10 bench grinders, 2 swing frame grinders that are supported by a combination of pneumatic grinders, 60-ton capacity trimming machines, 300 kilograms capacity tumble blasting machines, and nozzle blasting machines that clean intricate and complex core holes. High pressure molding line. Keeping this in mind, Technocast Foundry has invested in state-of-the-art machinery such as the DISA Match 20x24 with automatic core setter for producing molds with exceptional dimensional accuracy and superior surface finish. Highly intricate castings are possible in under a very short span of time using the DISA HPML molding technology with a high productivity rate of up to 180 molds per hour. Complicated self-coat castings, which require meticulous and time-consuming effort, are easily developed with this technology with no or very minimal mismatch rates. Change in patterns are easily done without loss of production with the help of the quick pattern changing device. This allows us to manufacture products of all volumes without hindering the productivity rate. Sand plant. In order to optimize the working of the automatic high pressure molding line with a 40-ton per hour sand plant with a complete dust collection system. Shell molding. 2 4-station shell molding machines are used to manufacture components varying from a weight range of 100 grams to 20 kilograms with mold size dimensions of 480 millimeters by 600 millimeters are used with a capacity to produce 1,200 molds per day per machine. The ARPA 450, ARPA 1300. The ARPA 1300 simultaneous Joule squeeze machines can handle box sizes of 1000 by 1200 by 350 millimeters by 2 with the capacity to produce single piece castings that weigh up to 350 kilograms. The DISA ARPA 450 can handle box size of 650 by 700 by 200 millimeters by 2 with the capacity to produce single piece castings that weigh up to 100 kilograms. Machine shop. The machine shop is geared with 28 CNC machines working round the clock. The machines include 2 HMCs of Doosan and Haas USA make, VTL of Doosan and Hoshian make, 15 BMC, 9 turning centers, a dynamic balancing machine and a high pressure jet washing machine, CMM of Brown and Sharp make with a size of 700 millimeters by 1000 millimeters by 660 millimeters, 2D High Master of Electronica make, a profile projector and surface roughness tester for RA inspection. Machining center consists of HMC Haas EC400 made with a pallet size of 400 by 400 millimeters and operating specifications up to 600 by 500 by 500 millimeters and ATC 40 numbers millimeters. HMCs Doosan DHM 800 make with a pallet size of 800 by 800 millimeters and operating specifications up to 1200 by 1020 by 1020 millimeters and ATC 90 numbers. VTLs of Doosan and Hoshian make and operating specifications up to 650 by 750 millimeters. Swing 750 millimeters. Additional facilities include dynamic balancing machines, component washing machines, and machine racks with clear-cut identification systems. Inspection facilities. Our inspection facilities include coordinate measuring machine of Brown and Sharp USA, global performance make with operating specifications of 700 by 1000 by 660 millimeters. Inspection fixtures, profile projector of Microtechnic Italy make, tool presetter, contour analyzer machine and millipore tester. The inspection activities include surface table inspection and 100% visual gauge inspection. Over the years, Technocast Foundry has grown from strength to strength, renewing the standards of excellence in the metal industry. A forerunner since its inception, Technocast Foundry has been garnered with various prestigious accolades such as Star Export House by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry and the Best Supplier Award from TAFE for the year 2015. Technocast Foundry, 127/3B, Sangodipalayam Road, Arasur, Coimbatore 407, Tamil Nadu, India. Phone 91-422 236 1000 91-994 366 1000. Website www.technocastfoundry.net. Mail ID marketing@tcf.net.in.